So for today's video, we are going to be trying on a wig from WowAfrican. This one here is another headband wig, and I'm actually so excited to try this because it is some long hair. So as usual, what comes in the box is your wig, and they send you a bag of like different headbands that you can wear with your wig. So this one is a Yaki texture here. As usual, these wigs do come with a few combs on the inside. This one has 3 on the top and 1 at the bottom, and then it also has the band to attach your wig directly in the back. This is their Yaki texture here. I did get this in a 22-inch, and also the density is 150. So I usually stick the combs in first. And then I take these 2 pieces here and we just attach it. This one is very natural looking. The hair is really thick on it as well. Alright, now I'm just going to take some edge control. I'm just going to swoop the edges. So usually with hair textures like a Yaki texture, I always go in with my flat iron and just pass the iron over it. But I actually really love how this one is like mimicking my natural hair texture if I comb it out and brush it out. Also, the hair itself is really thick and full, you guys. So like I said, I did get this hair in a 150 density. The hair length is a 22-inch. The hair itself is extremely soft, you guys. I know it is a Yaki texture, so it does feel a little bit more coarse. If you're not familiar with what Yaki texture hair is, it's basically just a more coarse textured hair compared to silky texture, and it also does mimic our African American hair when it's relaxed, or a lot of us who have curly hair and you brush it out. This is basically the texture of my hair when I brush it out or blow dry it. So yeah, it basically mimics our African American hair. So far I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling from this hair. What I mainly love about these headband wigs is that it's so easy to install. There's absolutely no work. All you gotta do is snap it on. These are definitely perfect for those of you who really doesn't have much time to really do your hair, or somebody that just doesn't even like know how to do hair. You don't have time to go get it done and you just want something really quick and simple to try on and just head outside but also look really presentable. These wigs are definitely it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten out the hair. I'm gonna straighten out like the little kinks because I do want to pin it up into a ponytail just to show you guys what it would look like in a high bun, and then try on a few different try on a few different headbands. That's what it would look like pinned up, and also try on these different headbands. So yes, it is human hair, so you can definitely go in and iron it, curl it, do whatever. One thing that I would recommend for these wigs, especially if you're going to be putting it up into a high bun, I would definitely suggest using one of the thicker headbands. So one like what I'm wearing right now. So it's really thick and just like literally covering the entire nape area of your wig. It also gives you a little bit more security. Also you know, you're tugging on your hair, you're pulling the hair up. So it definitely just gives you a little bit more security when it comes to pinning up the hair in a ponytail. My bun is kind of dropping because I did a really sloppy job. I was like, I just did whatever, I just pinned it up. So it's not the best right now. You can definitely sleek it up way better than I did. But yeah, that's pretty much the wig, you guys. The wig is beautiful. This is definitely really cute. Also, I did not sleek it to the best. I just really passed the iron over it really quickly. But if you want, definitely, you can definitely iron this hair to where it's like silky straight. But again, once it gets wet or you go out where it's really humid outside, it's definitely gonna puff back up. Just literally everything that our natural hair does, Yaki texture does. I am such a huge fan of these headband wigs. You guys should definitely check out WowAfrican. I'm not too sure if I have a discount code or not. That way, once you purchase this wig, you can definitely save some coins. But if I do, I will have everything listed down below in the description box for you guys. I think I pretty much touched base on everything that you need to know when it comes to these headband wigs. Yeah, you guys, the hair is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely check them out. I'll have everything listed down below in the description box on where you guys can purchase this wig. So comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling the new headband wigs. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.